As we have built our routes now, so let's talk about how to handle the 404 page for when you have a route that doesn't exist. So if we try to, let's go to, for example, my, let's say dashboard. We don't have a dashboard. So we have this 404 page, okay? But NextJS allows you to define or to create your own error page. And it's actually simple. So we create just within this app, we create not found. So it's actually not dash found .tsx. So it has to be like this for it to work. Okay. Same goes for the page. So it has a convention. Okay. So let's use our shortcut, and instead of being not found, so we say not found page. Let's name it like this, and we can have here whatever we want. Okay, we can customize it to match your branding or to match our application. So let's say here page not found. Okay, you can have p and say the page you are trying to access cannot be found. Okay, let's add here some empty brackets. That's what we call a fragment. And you can just say here you are trying to access. Oh, it's just telling us to escape it. So let's escape it like this. And we should have our 404 page. So as I said, you can style it however you want. Let's try random name here. And this is the not found page. So this is a small explanation on how to use TypeScript with Next.js. Uh, like I said before, you don't have to learn TypeScript because this video series are more for focused on Next.js. But we are having here an error, and I'm going to show you how we can just solve it because it's saying now that the params has an any type, and TypeScript is just type checking. I can say language, so it adds up to JavaScript to make sure that you are using the right type. Okay, that you are using the string instead of a number, and that you are using let's say you want to add two numbers, so you want to make sure that the function is accepting two numbers. Okay, so in this case we have a params, and I'm importing here the use effect hook from React. Make sure that you have it imported, right? So what the use effect does is it allows you to create or define actions when the component loads or when something changes in your component. So I have defined here this product page now as a client component. So you can add this use client at the top. So we have seen why we should why we should use the client here to make sure that we are using a client component. So we make this product page a client component, and we want to just see what these params are so that we can have TypeScript check it okay the right way. So let's just console log params, okay, and see what we have. So if we inspect that and we go to products, okay, look at the console, we have this object. So knowing this is the right structure for our params, we can use TypeScript to match that object. So right now it's complaining. It says that we should use something other than any, because any is just any type, so it can be any type. So we are not helping here TypeScript know what we want here. So we can here define a type. So the type is going to be an object, right? And within this object we have this. Go back and have params. Okay, that's going to be, like I said, the product ID and its string. Okay, so now we see that it's not complaining anymore. And if this sounds like complicated for you, you can just isolate it outside. So let's put it here. Okay, and we can define this as a type. So let's say here type, let's say params type. We can just define it. Should be actually an object like this, and let's remove this and this, so we have it as before. Okay, go back. Yeah, so we have it as before, and now we can just say it's just the params. Yeah. And like I said, you don't have to focus on TypeScript, but this is just how you would solve this error. Yeah.